Guruji. Firstly, Guruji, thank you for letting us come here. आपके चरणों में आपने हमें बुलाया. Thank you very much. Uncle, thank you for the grace marks for giving me. कि मैंने पहले सत्संग नहीं किया, तो अगर कोई गलती हो जाए तो please माफ कर देना. When we start to do a satsang, I think a lot of us expect any individual to share miracles. Having said that, a lot of miracles have happened in my life as well, or in our life as a family, and all thanks to Guruji. I will share a couple of incidences with you, but alongside, I'd also like to share my little journey with Guruji. We live in Gurgaon in Delhi. I was introduced to Guruji's Mandir by my mother, who went to Guruji's Mandir for the first time, having heard about Guruji, our gracious Guruji, from somebody. When she came back, she told my father and my sister and me, I want to take you somewhere. And it's a mandir. So we said, I belong to a Sirdar family. We said, nahi, Gurdware jaate hain, aap jao aapke mandir. That's silly and unfortunate at that point. She says, एक बार चलो, उसके बाद कभी नहीं बोलूँगी. Then it will be your decision. So with that respect, we went for the first time. And as most of us who've ever been to Bade Mandir know, there is no looking back. So we went to the mandir and बहुत सुना था कि गुरुजी के यहाँ आप जो मांगो मिलता है. I will not lie, मुझे भी लगा कि बस अपनी wish list मांगेंगे and stamp wish down. But I went many years back when I was still younger, तो wish list ऐसी complicated नहीं होती थी. Went और शायद wish list एक दो चीजें याद आई जब प्रणाम किया, but वो list नहीं रही, you know, the whole experience of how you felt, like most people say जब मंदिर जाओ तो your soul को झाड़ू जाता है, you feel cleansed. When we came back, she asked, फिर से जाना है? I said, हाँ. All of us were like, हाँ फिर जाना है. ये नहीं पता था क्यों जाना है. We came in 2010, but I will not say कि हम गुरुजी से तब जुड़े, कब जुड़े ये नहीं पता. गुरुजी ने बहुत पहले से जोड़ रखा था. What we needed was identification that we are fortunate enough to be sat here. When I started going to Guruji, a few incidences happened. I'll narrate a very small one. Till a few months back, I used to fly with Virgin Atlantic. Living in India, I had a license. So every 10 months, that needed to be renewed. When we went for these licenses, we had a multicultural exam where we had a couple of Indians, some Chinese, some Hong Kong crew. So language was only English, and there is no other way to communicate. But how much can you communicate when you're just here for an exam and you're scared? If you fail that exam, you lose your job. So we have a timetable of different types of aircraft in terms of safety. Airbus, Boeing, and all those things. I went for this exam, and I had read the timetable incorrect. Now, school या college में जब ये गलती करो तो माफ है, नौकरी में करो तो माफ नहीं होती. घर जाके क्या बोलती? Sorry, timetable गलत था इसलिए नौकरी चली गई. It's not acceptable. Landed on Saturday, Monday को 9 o'clock मेरे हिसाब से service थी. Service में कुछ काम नहीं होता. You just go and listen to the trainers and you come back. But no, the timetable actually said I had a safety Boeing 747 exam. जो मैं घर से पढ़ के गई थी, but over the weekend कुछ नहीं किया था. Luckily for me, I reached the base early, and I was just reading through something, and I said, before 8 o'clock, now this is strange. So my service class was at 9 a.m. local London time. I reached the base at 7:30. I don't know how, but we all know why. And at about a few minutes to 8 o'clock, I said, मैं अपना room number check कर लेती हूँ, and then I'll go and sit there and maybe read through tomorrow's exam. देखा तो room number नहीं दिख रहा. एक बार देखा, दो बार देखा, कुछ गड़बड़ है. So the lady in the reception says, you look a little worried. Can I help you? I said, yes, I've come from India. I have an exam. This is my exam code. And today is service, so I don't know the room number. She says, my dear, there is no such exam. I'm from India. The company's not going to fly me for free. She says, give me your payroll number. So she punched in her computer my payroll number and she says, darling, you're absolutely wrong with the coding. You have an exam in the next 5 minutes. Obviously, my face dropped and I said, I don't. She said, yes, you do. I cut the conversation short and did not think right or left. Did not think of the time difference in India to call up my mother and I started crying. Mama, नौकरी चले गई, अब आप सोच लो लोगों को क्या बोलना है. You calm down. I kept crying. I wouldn't give her a chance to speak to her. She very curtly said, chup. She says, Guruji का मंत्र जाप करो और एग्जाम लिखो. I was still new to Guruji and I said, हाँ, और गुरुजी साथ में बैठ के एग्जाम लिखेंगे. She says, chup. मंत्र जाप करो और एग्जाम लिखो. These are multiple type questions, so we don't have to write anything. You just click A, B, C, D. वही हुआ, गुरुजी ने एग्जाम दिया. Every time I had to click on something, I said Jai Guruji and clicked. Now you get to know your result only after you finish the last question. Unfortunately, you can't get anything wrong. Last question I had, मुझे उसका आंसर नहीं आता. अब मैं क्या click करूँगी? जब आता ही नहीं, पहले तो questions के तुक्के मार के जो पढ़ा. Last में था, and I can't even call the trainer for help or rephrasing the question because it said true or false. At true or false में कौन क्या help करेगा? So I kept fiddling with my cursor up and down. In these types of exams, the trainer or the examiner does not get up from their seat. Because at their seat, when you've clicked finish, they know whether you got 100, whether you passed, whether you had your job or no. And if you haven't, then it comes and sympathize. But very strangely, I said, Guruji, बाकी तो आपने answer करेंगे, ये तो out है, अब मैं क्या करूँ? I'm not saying I didn't have faith in Guruji. I had faith, but at that time, he was Guruji for me. It's only after that did I realize as well, Sakshat Bhagwan again. So now this thing happens where this lady walks up to me and says, lady, you've got the cursor on the right one. Why don't you click send? Basically, she gave me the answer. And I'm looking at her saying, you're right. So at that point, the cursor wasn't true. I clicked true and I said, Jai Guruji, click. I got 100% and I passed out. Well, the satsang doesn't end here because I called up my mother again. We get a 10-minute break. And I started crying again. She says, क्या हुआ? I said, 100 minutes. She said, why are you crying? I said, नौकरी अभी भी नहीं है. Practical कैसे दूंगी? मैं तो service में आई थी. मैंने तो जुतियाँ पहनी है. I need sneakers. I need to, jump from a slide or I don't know how many feet. I need to go and fire. It's uniform protocol. She says, यहाँ भी गुरुजी आएंगे. I said, ठीक है. गुरुजी आप तो जुतियाँ पहनते हैं. मैंने भी जुतियाँ पहनी. आप जूते कहाँ से रखे? After this conversation, my cell phone was in my hand. I wanted to put it in my bag. My shoes were there. Now, for many of you, you'll say, are you serious? Yes, I'm serious. My sneakers were there. A lot of you are aunties. I don't know how many of you carry hairbrushes or ID cards, but for me, in my bag were my shoes. And now there was no excuse. So I gave that exam. Thanks to Guruji, passed that exam, and I did that job for the next 8 years. Yes, Guruji was there with my job. He's been there for our health, for all those things we all can say tangible. But a lot of times when we say things, Guruji makes those happen. My mother does Samadhi Seva on Sundays, where the Samadhi is very quiet because the Bade Mandir is not open in the mornings for Sunday. She was stood there one day doing her Seva, and a lady comes and asks her, comes and asks her, what does your elder daughter do? She said she works for an airline. What does she do? Well, she's a senior member of the crew. She said that, and that lady went away for her seva. शायद उनका सेवा में थी, मुझे याद नहीं. वो दिन सेवा जब हुई उसके बाद Mama came home and she was very disturbed. She says, I didn't intend to lie. I don't have a habit of showing off or something. मेरे मुंह से वो निकला कैसे? And we were all uncomfortable. मैं ये नहीं कहती हमें से कभी किसी ने झूठ ना बोला हो, but गुरुजी के समाधि में you feel uncomfortable at what came out and why. The next 2 days, this thought did come and we said, sorry Guruji, it was not intentional, but again it's not excusable because you're sat in the samadhi, you're still in the samadhi, you've done a mistake and you feel bad. That's the time when recessions were happening. And this was 2 days and then the thoughts keep fading away as you get busy and doing other things. Day 3, I got an email without an interview, without anything, that I had got promoted. Well, that was the reason Guruji had made my mother say it, because mothers are as close as God. Like that, I can keep sharing a lot of incidences and a lot of miracles. And each one of us have had things with jobs, health, badi bimariyan Guruji ne cure kari hai, as we've read in the books, and we've experienced people who've been declared their names. I know such people who got back life, उनके मुंह से सत्संग सुना है. But सत्संग की एक और चीज है, जैसे हमने आज सुना रत्ना चरना ले कोल चरना ली मौज पड़ी. That is when we come, all things fall into place. Everything is very nice for us, good for us. But there's another aspect. जो कष्ट हमें काटने होते वो हम काटते हैं, पर जब हम गुरुजी के चरणों में होते हम वो मौज से काटते हैं. मैं नहीं कहती तकलीफ नहीं होती है, पर गुरुजी अपनी गोद में लेके बैठाते हैं. चोटें हमें भी लगती है, personally, professionally, emotionally, mentally. But it just becomes an easier journey. As when I started coming to Guruji, there were blinkers like this. And I only looked, कि आना है, मत्था टेकना है, यम्मी सा लंगर खाना है, वापस जाना है. सोच समझ की बुद्धि बंद हो जाती थी. हर टाइम मैं I know गुरुजी कहते थे मांगो मत मनो, but फिर गुरुजी से नहीं मांगा तो किससे मांगा? गुरुजी सब कुछ है. गुरुजी ये चीज करा दो. The tinier things in life. Yes, those things are very important for our sustenance. But in the journey of Guruji, what happens is, today we are sat here, we're just visiting the US, just for a couple of days. It was not important to go to a shopping mall or anything. The highlight of our trip was, we are going to Guruji's Mandir. And that gives us much more. Tangibly, each one of our experiences are valued. But what we can't see and what we experience of how we evolved to be Guruji's Sangat is different. While I was sitting here, I also asked for things, but I realized that I'm not working at present. I wanted a 2-month break. मुझे एक बार भी दिमाग में नहीं आया कि गुरुजी अच्छी सी नौकरी दे देना. Not because I don't need the job, don't get me wrong, but because I know Guruji will take care of it. Do I take him for granted? No. I only believe that I'm Guruji's lady. Guruji will do what's right. If it's taking a little while, it may be for my good. For others, I might say, Guruji, so-and-so thing has happened, somebody's not well, update lena. But the wish cycle is kind of reduced. What we are looking for is different. What I am grateful for is the untangible experience, the peace we get. If I was to ask for my mother, I would say, do what gives her happiness. But being in Guruji's charan gives her happiness. So the other things become very minuscule. They become very chota sa. So that's my journey. I wouldn't say I'm evolved. I'm not even at step 1. I still get distracted. But I love being a part of Guruji's Sangat. And thank you all of you for letting us be in your Guruji's Mandir or our Guruji's Mandir. Jai Guruji.